Nighttime Friday. Location, south coast of Rhode Island and Massachusetts, including Nantucket, Martha's Vineyard and Block Island. Surf height, 6 to 12 feet. Timing, through 8 a.m. Friday. Impacts, high risk of dangerous surf and drip currents. Also, viewers of large surf should be in safe areas well away from possible splashover. Large waves can sweep a person into the water from what may seem to be a safe viewing area. Falling into the turbulent and sometimes rocky waters can result in injury that reduces the chance of survival. A rip current, sometimes mistakenly called an undertow, is a strong but narrow current of water flowing from the beach to the surf zone. It can rapidly carry a swimmer into deeper water and exhaust an individual trying to swim against it. If you are a poor swimmer and are caught in a rip current, swim parallel to the beach until out of its bowl. Another means of escape for those who are good swimmers is to ride the current out beyond the surf zone, where the rip current dissipates, then swim toward shore outside the effect of the narrow rip current. Do not attempt to swim back to shore directly against the current. It can exhaust and drown even the strongest swimmer. Heed the advice of the beach patrol and swim only at guarded beaches. Watch your children. Be especially cautious near piers and jetties, where rip currents can be enhanced.
Here are the 3 p.m. observations for the Cape Cod region. In Hyannis, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 57, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was north at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.79 inches and steady. Elsewhere across Cape Cod, in Falmouth, mostly sunny, temperature 75, wind variable at 6, gusting to 13. At Chatham, sunny, temperature 77, wind northeast at 9, gusting to 17. In Provincetown, sunny, temperature 73, wind north at 7. On Nantucket, sunny, temperature 76, wind north at 16. And on Martha's Vineyard, mostly sunny, temperature 79, wind northeast at 14. In southeast Massachusetts, in Marshfield, mostly sunny, temperature 73, wind east at 5. At Plymouth, partly sunny, temperature 76, wind northeast at 6. In Taunton, partly sunny, temperature 81, wind northwest at 8, gusting to 18. And in New Bedford, sunny, temperature 81, wind northwest at 12, gusting to 20. Once again, repeating the 3 p.m. weather for the Cape Cod region, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77 and the wind was north at 10.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Massachusetts, Cape Cod and the Islands, including Fall River, New Bedford, Plymouth and Taunton, issued at 1:21 p.m., Thursday, August 28th. This afternoon, mostly sunny, near steady temperature in the upper 70s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southeast after midnight. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour until midnight. Sunday, partly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Labor Day, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers until midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs around 80. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 80. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour.
Here are 3 p.m. conditions across southern New England's coastal waters. Off the east coast of New Hampshire and Massachusetts, at the Isle of Shoals Tower, northwest wind at 18 knots. At Boston Buoy, wind was south at 0.2 knots. The seas were 0.2 feet every 12 seconds, and the water temperature was 69. At the Gulf of Maine Buoy, with gusts to 14 knots, the seas were 0.7 feet every 13 seconds, and the water temperature was 67. To the south and east of Cape Cod, at the Nantucket Sound Buoy, north wind at 12 knots. The seas were 0.2 feet every 0.3 seconds, and the water temperature was 71. Off the south coast of New England and Long Island, at the Buzzards Bay Tower, northwest wind at 12 knots. At the Montauk Point Buoy, located 25 miles south of Montauk Point, the seas were 0.5 feet every 13 seconds, and at the Block Island Buoy, the seas were 0.5 feet every 13 seconds, and the water temperature was 70. And around Narragansett Bay, at Providence, north wind at 10 knots with gusts to 17 knots. At Kennecott Point, northwest wind at 16 knots. At Prudence Island, north wind at 0.6 knots. At Quonset Point, northwest wind at 12 knots. At Newport, north wind at 12 knots.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Cape Cod Bay, Nantucket Sound, Vineyard Sound, afternoon 4, Nantucket Sound, Cape Cod Bay, Vineyard Sound, and Buzzards Bay. Small craft advisory for hazardous seas in effect through Friday morning for Rhode Island Sound. This afternoon, north winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming north 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Friday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots in the morning. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Friday night, east winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast after midnight. Seas around 2 feet. Saturday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Saturday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Sunday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots overnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms through the night. Patchy fog through the night. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles overnight. Labor Day, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms through the day, then a chance of showers through the night. Patchy fog, visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Winds and seas higher in and near thunderstorms. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the outer coastal waters from Cape Ann to Nantucket to Montauk, New York, including the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, issued at 1:23 p.m., Thursday, August 28th. Small craft advisory for hazardous seas in effect through Friday afternoon 4, the coastal waters south of Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard, and the coastal waters east of Cape Cod. This afternoon, north winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Friday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots in the morning. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Friday night, east winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Saturday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Patchy fog, a chance of showers, and thunderstorms through the night. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. The center of Hurricane Cristobal was located near latitude 36.9 north, longitude 65.9 west. Cristobal is moving toward the northeast near 26 miles per hour, and this general motion with an increase in forward speed is expected over the next 48 hours. On the forecast track, the center of Cristobal will rapidly move toward the North Atlantic and pass well south of Nova Scotia tonight. Maximum sustained winds are near 75 miles per hour, with higher gusts. Some strengthening is forecast today, and Cristobal is expected to become a powerful extratropical cyclone over the North Atlantic on Friday. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 60 miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 205 miles. The estimated minimum central pressure is 983 millibars, 29.03 inches. Here is the latest offshore marine forecast for the following coastal location, Gulf of Maine to the Hague Line, issued at 10:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.